Credit cards are not dangerous, but using them the wrong way is. One mistake can cost you hundreds in interest.
The biggest mistake? Carrying a balance. Interest starts building immediately.
Credit card interest is high. Very high. That small unpaid amount grows fast. Minimum payment looks small, but it keeps you in debt for years. Full payment keeps you free. Miss one payment and you face late fees, extra interest, and credit score damage. The fix is simple. Turn on automatic payments. Remove the risk completely. Never use too much of your credit limit. Stay below 30%. Lower usage improves your score.
Use credit cards for planned expenses only, not impulse shopping. Treat it like a debit card.
Watch out for hidden fees, annual fees, cash advance fees, foreign transaction charges.
Cash advances are expensive. Interest starts immediately. Avoid them unless it's an emergency.
If you have debt, pay the highest interest first, or the smallest balance first for motivation. Pay in full. Avoid fees. Stay below 30% usage. That's how pros manage credit cards.
Start today. Check your balances, set up autopay, and subscribe for more smart money tips.